should...
No. Give it a chance.
Hello? Hello? I come in peace. Whoa, she's beautiful. What were they talking about? She's like an angel. An angel who's getting really close up.
¿Qué você? ¿Qué se está fazendo aqui? ¿Qué?
You're standing on my throat.
Oh, you're an American.
Thanks. I need my throat for talking, so thank you.
You look like me.
Oh, hi. Hi. My name is Blue. You know, like the cheese. With the mold on it. You know, that smells really bad. That's stupid. Stupid.
All right, come on. We don't have much time.
Wait.
Are you ready?
For what? Oh, wow. Okay. Confidence. Crazy love hawk.
All right. Whoa, hi. What are you doing?
What you wanted me to? But just for argument's sake, what are you doing?
I'm trying to escape.
Oh, yeah, escape. That's where I was going with that thing I just did.
Wait. Did you actually think we were gonna kiss?
No.
Just
What do you
met.
think?
Oh my.
I think they need a little help. I mean, I know how my feathers look, but I'm not that kind of bird. Okay, I had nothing to do with that. But, you have to admit, it's actually a pretty good song. Naturally.